Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a Meatlovers Pizza Bagel. I hope all of you are enjoying Dave's Cooking Show at its new time of 4 p.m. And don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy it, blah, 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 all the things YouTube has me saying. Okay, first thing, as you can see, I've already kind of pre-toasted these bagels in a 450 degree oven. And now I'm adding my standard pizza sauce, which is 28 ounces of tomato sauce, a tablespoon of olive oil, 3 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and about a teaspoon of black pepper. You mix all of that together in a small slow cooker, cook on high for at least 1 hour, and then on low until you're ready to use. I usually make it about 3 hours in advance. So 1 on high, 2 on low. And then you just want to spread the pizza sauce around. And then once you've got that done, time to add a good covering of shredded whole milk mozzarella. By the way, when you're making pizza, it's a good idea to buy the block cheese and either shred it with a box grater or use your food processor's grater. Now you want to add some Italian sausage. Then add some pepperonis. Then you want to add some crumbled bacon, because bacon makes everything better. And then top with just a little bit more of that whole milk mozzarella. Then you want to pop these into the oven for 5 to 7 minutes. Again, that 450 degree oven that we already heated up to toast the bagels. Again, 5 to 7 minutes. And for me, it took about 7 minutes. And that's what you're looking for. Now, basically, you want to let these cool down, as when they come out, they're going to be molten hot, and you don't want to burn your mouth. So give them about 5 minutes to cool down. All right. And there you go. These were absolutely delicious, did not last long, and that's Meatlovers Pizza Bagels. Done.